Digital Marketing 2023, a comprehensive guide to boost your online presence. Introduction. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that is crucial for anyone looking to thrive in the digital landscape of 2023. In this video, we'll be exploring the world of digital marketing and providing you with actionable strategies to succeed in this rapidly evolving field. So, let's dive right in. Section 1. What is digital marketing? Host. Before we jump into the practical aspects, let's start with the basics. What exactly is digital marketing? In simple terms, digital marketing encompasses all marketing efforts carried out through digital channels such as search engines, websites, social media, email, and mobile apps. It's about connecting with your target audience in the right place, at the right time, and through the right means. In 2023, digital marketing revolves around 4 key pillars. 1. Content marketing. 2. Search engine optimization, SEO. 3. Social media marketing. 4. Data analytics. Let's explore each one in more detail. Number 1. Content marketing. Content is king, and it remains true in 2023. Creating high-quality, engaging content is crucial to attract and retain your audience. Tips. Identify your target audience, conduct keyword research, and produce valuable content that addresses their pain points, educates, entertains, or inspires. Number 2. Search engine optimization, SEO. SEO helps your website rank higher in search engine results, driving organic traffic and boosting visibility. Tips. Optimize your website structure, focus on relevant keywords, create compelling meta tags and descriptions, and earn quality backlinks to enhance your website's authority. Number 3. Social media marketing. Social media platforms are more influential than ever. They provide opportunities to engage with your audience, build brand awareness, and drive traffic. Video content continues to dominate in 2023. Utilize platforms like YouTube, Instagram Reels, and TikTok to create engaging videos that showcase your products, educate your audience, or tell your brand story. Tips. Identify the platforms your target audience frequents, develop a consistent brand voice, create compelling visuals, engage with your followers, and leverage paid advertising options. Number 4. Data analytics. Data analytics plays a crucial role in understanding your audience, measuring the success of your campaigns, and making data-driven decisions. Tips. Utilize tools like Google Analytics, track key metrics, analyze user behavior, monitor campaign performance, and continuously optimize your strategies based on the insights gathered.